The way one leads through action. Valid point. Management style is true. Bayanihan Act I is also known as. Excellent. RLM 1494 is a brilliant choice. The concept of uke is related to. Smart move. Quantity is an accurate answer. Indian equivalent of ISO can be. You're right. EC by BIS is the correct answer. The two main axes of a risk are. Solid response. Probability impact is a valid choice. Work study is also recognized as. Nicely done. Both and B is a solid answer. Waste created through overburden. Well done. Later is the right choice. What is an advantage of Kaizen? Great job. Long-term sustainability is the accurate answer. Inventory is another word for. Right again. Stock is a valid answer. A good layout should consider. Nice selection. Material handling equipment is the correct and valid answer. A linear equation has the form. On track, F equal to a plus BT is the correct answer. Ishikawa diagram, also known as. Correct response. Cause and effect is the most accurate answer. What must supply chains not be? Well picked. Costly is the correct answer. The forms does not include dash. Perfect. Message is the correct choice. What is quantity sold X price? Smart pick. Total revenue formula is the correct choice. What is operation management? You got it. Your choice operation is right. Six Sigma is used for process. Correct. Improvement is the right answer. What is not quality measures? Great thinking. Location is the right choice. The third step in forecast is. Clear logic. Your choice, select a forecasting techniques, is sound and 100% true. What increases productivity? You chose all of the above. And it is correct. Do it right the first time. Excellent choice. Philip Crosby is the right answer. Write the full form of JIT. Strong choice. Just in time is the right answer. Maintenance is tougher in. Right choice. Continuous flow is the best answer. What does ERP stands for? Bravo. Enterprise Resource Planning is the answer. Select the option for ERP. Exactly. Enterprise Resource Planning makes sense and it is right choice. Organizational models are. Good job. Your answer, all of the above works well here. Those who provide support. Well reasoned. Staff is the correct choice. JIT does not believe in. Nice work. You chose overproduction and it is correct. Products are defined by. Sharp thinking. Engineering drawings is the right choice. Choose the right option. Good thinking. Heats is the right answer. Gantt chart is used as. On track. Scheduling tool is the correct answer. Which is not a capital. Clear logic. Your choice raw materials is sound and 100% true. Project is always dash. Strong choice. Unique is the right answer. Sugar manufacturing is. Nice selection. High volume mass production is the correct and valid answer. A principle of TQM is. Sharp thinking. Employee empowerment is the right choice. Waste from production. Excellent. All are correct is a brilliant choice. Quality assurance is. Smart move. Proactive is an accurate answer. Doing things right is. Good thinking. Efficiency is the right answer. Attack strategies are. Excellent choice. All of the above is the right answer. Just in time aimed at. Exactly. Zero inventory makes sense, and it is right choice. Funnel process is for. Solid response. Product development is a valid choice. Kaizen refers to dash. Right again. Continuous improvement is a valid answer. Service inventory is. Correct. Capacity of service is the right answer. In rough, P stands for. Perfect. Proposal is the correct choice. MISTUB stands for dash. Bravo. Materials requirements plan is the answer. BTUB stands for dash. Well reasoned. Business to business is the correct choice. Productivity means. Nicely done. Output input is a solid answer. TQM refers to dash. Good job. Your answer, total quality management, works well here. Mr. P stands for. You chose material resource planning, and it is correct. Fill in the blank. Smart pick. Internal strengths is the correct choice. Product layouts. You got it. Your choice processing rates are faster is right. Just in time is. Correct response. Single unit production is the most accurate answer. What is her name? Right choice. CES is the best answer. SIM stands for. Well picked. Computer integrated manufacturing is the correct answer. JIT stands for. Valid point. Just in time is true. Process layouts. Great job. Slower processing rates is the accurate answer. QFD means dash. Well done. Quality function deployment is the right choice. CAD stands for. Great thinking. Computer-aided design is the right choice. Productivity equal to. Nice work. You chose output, input, and it is correcta. JIC means. You're right. Just in case is the correct answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Clear logic. Your choice contact Narayan Changder is sound and 100% true.